Calling Patrick to complain about the bullying
Hello?
at Blueberry
Hello?
School. Rolling primary.
Hello? Hello? Patrick? 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 Hello? You have reached this voicemail? Oh, Jesus, Savior. Hello? Hello? Patrick, Patrick, I am running down to Rolling Primary School right now. One big heifer bull cow down there, beat off Blueberry. So I am going down there. It seems that they are running a pig pen or a cow pasture down there. Don't seem like it's a school they're running. So I am going down there to get a word with the principal and the staff down there. Yes, I am going down there to have a word with the administration because it seems to me that the government and the school administration don't know how to run a school. So I am going down there to give them the idea of how to run a school. I am not even going to the child or the child parent. I am going to the school to set them straight because it seems like they don't know how to run school. Yeah? Because how could they have such bully in the school every single day? So I am going to let them know how to run a school and how to deal with bullies. Yes, too much now. And you will never know how the bullies are behaving until it reach your doorstep. You will not understand when you hear it on the news. You don't understand what the child is going through until it reach your doorstep. Until your child start to feel it, then you will understand how the child is feeling. And we have to deal with those bullies. We have to get them under control. The Bible said to train up the child in the way he should go, that he may not depart from it. And I am going down there. Good afternoon, Principal Jarbone. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. I am here this morning because I get to understand that one, I don't even want to say it, beat up my child Blueberry. And I am very uneasy this morning, because I don't know what type of school you're running down here. But I come to tell you this morning to how to deal with all bullies. I think what can curb these bullies is to give them a cartridge paper and let them write 5,000 words on it. I am a bully. Whatever name them is, let them put their name. I am so and so bully. I am so and so bully. And I bully Blueberry. And I bully Blueberry. And let them write it 5,000 times and paste it up right where everybody can see it when they come into the school. That will end all bully problem because nobody want to shame. Nobody want to shame. I am telling you, teacher, that will curve them.